came out, it was hot. You remember how everybody was going crazy over this song, man? Hulk smash! Hulk smash, Hulk smash, Hulk smash, Hulk smash. Yeah. Oh, all right, look. Hey, Nana. Ooh. Got static. Quavo actually a baller, bro. It really is. Alright, it's Nanny up. Come on now. Why you being slow?
Make sure it's leveled up, surface it out, get it real even as you can. It's simple. One more, and this depends on how much you're making. We're making 4 pancakes. 2 for me, 2 for my baby. Same scenario. Blam! Straight like that. Make sure you go get it. Pretty penny, but it's worth it. It's the good stuff. Thank you, sous chef. Oh yeah. Already getting thicky. I smell it. Ooh, watch me. Ooh, that girl raw. Oh, Lord. Got static. All right. Now you got your egg. Mind you, this is my first time trying these protein pancakes, but I'm pretty confident because I have some good teachers and great mentors and a wonderful girlfriend helping me, so I'm good. Now the taste, that I don't know. Oh, I should have got some dark chocolate chips. That dark chocolate is still. Oh yeah, we're gonna go major with this. Get some dark chocolate chips next time.
Simplicity, that's where it's at. Bodies are made in the kitchen. One good flour, that's it. Put a little extra fluff. I like my pancakes fluffy. You dig? Coming out. I'm gonna get all these chunks out eventually.
I'm on research. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Same with here. Just parlay it. Woo. Bam. That's how I'm feeling with that. Yeah. Mix that on up. That's your cinnamon and your salt. Then we're gonna put a little honey. Because I gotta be real. I'm not just gonna cold turkey this thing. And I'm not gonna flip to you. I'm gonna try not to put some syrup on my final product. I know Nafia is gonna put some because it's already honey in it. So I'm gonna not put pancake on my servings. That's my challenge to you all. If you put honey in it, don't put pancake on. Don't put pancake. Don't put syrup on your actual pancake. Just a challenge. It's optional. Don't worry. But yeah, I do the X factor with the honey. That's it. And I'm gonna lie. Time to make it go to the heat, baby. Cute pancake. Let's see what you do. Use less butter. Help you stay firm, look pretty. Bit longer. probably gonna put a lot of mix.